Welcome to the module 1 of our Capcut video editing series. Now, in this very module, I'll be showing you how to download and install Capcut on your Windows PC. Right, so the first thing you have to do, of course, is to log on to this website, capcut.com. You actually have two options when you log onto the website. You have the option of video, like editing your projects online on the Capcut website, or downloading the software to your Windows PC. Now I'll go for the second option. Right, so I'm going to click the download. So the next thing you have to do is to right click and then click choose run as administrator. So as you can see right here, the Capcut application would automatically start installing afterwards. So you're just going to give it a few minutes to install on your Windows PC. Now it depends on the specifications of your laptop, the RAM, the processor. Okay, the time could be faster or slower, but whatever happens, just give it a few seconds to probably a minute or two for the installation to be complete. And voila, as you can see right here, we have successfully installed our Capcut application on our Windows PC. So this is how you can download and install Capcut on your Windows PC. So if you found this useful, please like this video and of course subscribe to this channel so you won't miss the other modules of this Capcut video editing series. So thanks for watching and see you in the next module.